Australia 我就一直找他的，我不要紧啦，你有看到了啦。Hi everyone, we are now on our way to the National Automobile Museum here in Sepang, Kuala Lumpur. The entrance to this museum is free of charge, so you just need to walk in, sign the visitor log, that's it. But to get here, you need to get a Grab car to come here because it is not by walking distance that you can reach this museum. Charisma 125. Wow. It is quite cool to look at the chassis of this truck. This is the MGT type. This car was in production in 1938 to 1955. So we have the legendary Proton Wajah. It was one of the most popular cars in Malaysia at the time. Then next year we got the Gen 2. This Gen 2 still looks so good and new. No longer in production, replaced by a newer model. They also showcase the different parts that make up a whole car. There are motorcycles to look at too. Jagu. This is the Cheria. Dynamic. Front of us is the legendary Kancil. The first production of the Kancil was in somewhere in 1994. On the right is the Bufori. This is a Bufori car, a handmade luxurious car originally from Australia, now collaborating in Malaysia. It is great to see the Kancil in such a pristine condition. You cannot find any of the Kancils like this anymore. This car is the Canary and it is no longer in production also.
因为它新的哪一家就是没有用过，放在这边很久了。
也根本有这个车。
是的。
Wow, it is great to see the 4T model in person.
哇，大神啊！
你还不踩吗？
我还没有用这家。
And some Jaguars from the 1954.
Jaguar 1954，哇，这是1954年了，哇，1954哦。Still look good 啊，Jaguar 19 something 的，哇，这是最早期的车哦。